Hello, in this short video, I'll demonstrate the CURT Group website's Vehicle Lookup tool. This tool will allow you to specify a vehicle year, make, and model and find all of the parts and products that are compatible with the vehicle application. It's a great tool and it's really easy to use. The tool can be found right on the homepage of any of CURT Group's websites. In this example, I'm on the CURT towing site at curtmfg.com, and you can see the lookup tool right here. Since this is such a critical tool, it's very prominent on the website. As you can see, I can scroll down and the tool will snap to the top of my browser. I can navigate to different product categories and the tool remains available on these pages as well. I can even jump to other brand pages and the tool is still there. To use the tool, simply use the drop-down menus and choose the vehicle year, make, and model. I'm going to choose a 2019 Ford F-150. Once I click All Parts, the site will bring me to a results page that shows me every category that has products for this specific vehicle. Once I choose one of these categories, I will see the product that fits, and I'll be able to easily navigate to any of the other categories. I'll choose Class 3 trailer hitches. Now, depending on the product category I chose, I may need to specify a submodel or other vehicle details to ensure that I'm finding the right parts. So I'll go ahead and add that this is a Lariat F-150 and click Select. I can see the product that fits, and I can easily jump to other product categories to see what other items are available. For example, I may need a trailer wiring harness to go with my hitch, so I'll click Custom Wiring and T-Connectors, and now I can see that there are two wiring options. The first is a custom wiring with a 4-way flat, and the second is a custom wiring with a 7-way RV blade. Now, that's not all that this tool can do. If you want to see what more CURT Group's brands can offer, you can simply use the brand icons above the results to find more products that will fit the vehicle from other brands like Aries, Laverne, and UWS. This will open a new tab and show more product categories that fit the F-150 from the brand you chose. So, that covers the general overview of the Vehicle Lookup tool. It's really easy to use and a great way to find the parts that you're looking for and ensure that they fit the correct vehicle.